Grab your what?
Probably check my pose.
Look at this, y'all. That is a nice little 12-pounder right here. About to release him back into the water. Let's get y'all. This motherfucker got us a little something. Brother.
Hell is slack, so I can tell you that much.